Okay, so hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in a while, but today I'll be installing this 22-inch body wave 13 by 4-inch wig. I think this is 150 density. So within the package, I'm showing you guys the wig. It also came with 2 wig caps, as well as 3D mink lashes, and just a little pamphlet on how to take care and wash the hair, and basically how to maintain the lace frontal. So yes. So what I'll be doing right now is I'm just taking the wig cap out of the package, and then I'll be just applying it onto my head. I'll be putting the wig cap over my ears and like over my forehead. Basically, yeah, like over my whole forehead and covering my ears so that I can lay down the foundation before I put on the lace. Yeah, before I put the lace wig on, and then I'll be putting the Got to Be Free spray on top of the wig cap to lay the foundation for the wig. So as you can see right now, what I'm doing is I'm just cutting out my ears from the wig cap so that I basically, because when I put the wig on, the wig's not gonna cover my ears, or the lace isn't, so I'm gonna be cutting around my ears when I do that. So that's why I'm doing that. And then now, as you can see, I'm using the Got to Be Free spray. I'm just putting that in front. I'm not putting that on my edges. I'm putting it in front of my hairline, like right in front, because I don't want that stuff touching my hair. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'll be going over that with the blow dryer. As you can see, my mom has walked in my room as always. But yeah, so then after I continue to spread the free spray basically in front of my hairline, I'll be going over it and drying it with the blow dryer on medium heat. So yes, I'll get back to you guys when the next step arrives. Okay, so now as you guys can see, I'm going to start cutting the cap, or like the extraness from the cap. I'm cutting it off because I don't need all that cap if I'm going to be gluing the wig like right where I basically sprayed the free spray. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just cutting as much of the cap off as I can to make it actually look like it's a natural hairline. So that's what I'm doing, and I'll get back to you guys when another part comes. If I do not get back to you guys when another part comes, then I just hope you guys enjoyed this video and continue to watch me style my beautiful wig. And I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and let's get me to 300 subscribers. Okay, loves, so this is the end result or whatever. And just tell me in the comment section down below how I did. This is my very first time ever installing a wig on myself. So just tell me how I did. And if you guys want to see more hair reviews like this, let me know. And you know I'll do them for you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. And let's get to 300 subscribers. I love you.